Bangalore with the review see. Tam kita tam pala cái này sao số này là thằng tụi mày thi ngay là cái thi tai là cái xe đây là ninh là cái bấm sao chứ. Cho nên cái chuyện cái là chúng ta cái lý award là asi siwi music evening li asu cũng mình li tăng sang ngay để còn nó có thả được cái chứ nào. Cái là nó si tăng ngay này lên đây là khamiya bị cái này. Cho nên cái là cái gì church with pastor cái this leadership team cái đó ngali. Đây winning sila hay này cái gì nó thuộc về hàng chục ngay đấy là Elisa thấy của mình phao của mình là cái chung cái này chỉ tăng quy cái gì là sao cái thằng là nó thuộc về the church the ministry living room the quick room say the whole me here the phala cái the church believer i cái khăn bắp mới mình because I grew up in the church nói mình read that you will like some ministry đó akar đó the church we pastor we should grow up leader God church is the leadership again. Everywhere I go, the church ministry is delivered. I always want to take part. Then after that, to miracle me. In Panaye, then she deliver when I he other she hang out she daily church the kacang kini ka ini razan the she choir the ram the jam. Then she church we wagen the salam kita with the lady. Other she choir the rathe lagi no jale the hang the lady she. Other city churches we choir the pam le thule. Nên chị tao church daily để nên chị bị tát hết rồi cả chị inspiring salah cái này lên halak so chị mang vào mình sao nữa đâu first of all tao cũng nào mà kinh sang học cái đó I just want to say how beautiful and how wonderful it is to serve a God who is the creator, a God who is the only true God, the only God, but a God who is at the same time powerful and almighty, but a God who is at the same time loving and who is there for us all the time. And we worship that kind of God, you know. So mari phang a yim la chine. I bazang in the kama pom de chida te ma hang phela la I go reshi bi ni bazang. O ko thili pang chi la la, de pha la kai na, a ka shopra la da you know nam ka la kai na khri hi thum reshi ne sagi ke chine. Because we worship such kind of God. We worship that God who is the Almighty and who is not like any other. It will the hili pa la raka pungu juli ka da pa la azing ta da pa la jam be raka tha hi ba malay mane ke jine. So aju ba ta dei tu chi hi wi testimony ke sa dei tu the rivali kan ka sa da la hi sang rong says a very simple song. It's called Nobody Greater. So I think you can sing with me. The verse, the chorus goes something like this. So say it. Let's see. Nobody greater. Say now.
Nobody greater.
Nobody greater, no.
Nobody greater, no.
Nobody greater than you.
Nobody greater than you.
Nobody greater.
Nobody greater.
Nobody greater, no.
Nobody greater, no.
Nobody greater than you.
Nobody greater than you.
Chỉ sai cái gì vậy? Ai cái gì vậy? Sao sao mà chịu party ra không có người thùng lồng cái rally không bị say. Okay, cho mình xin track cái số gì.
Nobody
Nobody greater than you. Nobody can heal like you can. Oh, most holy one, you are the great I am. Awesome in all your ways, and mighty is your hand. You are he who carried out redemption plan. You are he who carried out redemption plan. Oh, I searched high and low, couldn't find nobody. I looked through the valley low, oh, nobody greater, nobody greater, greater than you. Yeah, searched all over, couldn't find nobody. I looked high and low, still couldn't find nobody. Nobody greater, nobody greater, no. Nobody greater than you. Oh, Jesus. Nobody great, nobody greater, no. Nobody greater than you. Alright, hip hop like goes, so let's sing together. Come on. Nobody greater, nobody greater, no. Nobody greater than you. Let's sing it together. One more time. Nobody greater, nobody greater, no. Nobody greater than you. Jesus, nobody, nobody greater, no. Nobody greater, no. Nobody greater than you. My Lord, ain't nobody greater, nobody greater, no. Nobody greater than you. Jesus, nobody greater, nobody greater, no. Nobody greater than you. Amen. We run the young is he to matter though. But we run the young kra, young something like no matter. Have you ever heard of God running? But if we look at Luke chapter 15, Sikunuria now Pagina, Avavuli, Gaishi the Gashiku, no Thai like a Hydra, and the link with Timung Lovida, Vapa, Kapau, we really tells it that he led a very sinful life, but when he finally came to his senses, he said, if you rob me, Shababuli, Hanumra, and Shabana Ilita, Quisan Shabadi, Ilu Humilo, Ili Piomilo, it no route the electric Samino, the Kaishabadi, Hanumra, when the prodigal son decided to do that, and Chirang and the Kisani Lejan Shaban, the Kihani Lejan, the Karatran, Shabana, very far off, when he was still very far off. The dad, his dad saw him. Then Ashaba, he young is there. Then I did for Quilaga. He could have occurred but the father was just so glad to see his son return, So that's how our God is. So today, if there is anybody who thinks that you have gone too far away from God and you have done things that you think even God might think again to forgive you, this is God's promise. God's love for us is so unconditional. He's just waiting to embrace you, So let's come back to God, okay? That is our God. You know, our God is always loving, who always waits on us. So let's not feel too guilty to stop us from coming to Him.